welcome to this new video lesson I have made for you. And this is, once again, it's Lani Villamor. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. We'll continue learning because in Proverbs 19 verse 27, if you stop learning, you will forget what you already know. If you have any questions about this video, please don't forget to share your questions by writing it in the comment section also. Please follow me in IG so I will be able to see your story. And please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss anything.